DJI is making headlines with rumors of a new addition to its camera lineup, the DJI Osmo 360. Known for their high-quality drones and action cameras, DJI is stepping into the 360 camera space, potentially providing an immersive option that could compete with existing market leaders like GoPro and Insta 360. With this launch, DJI seeks to enhance how we capture action, delivering a new perspective for adventure enthusiasts and tech-savvy users alike. Based on the latest leaks, including design schematics and FCC filings, there are intriguing details about the Osmo 360's expected features, design, and release timeline. This camera could arrive just in time for the holiday season, adding competition for those considering 360-degree cameras. Rumors first surfaced on social media through Fotorum Hours, which shared early details and illustrations of the Osmo 360. Shortly after, renowned tech visualizer Hakasushi, known for accurate predictions and design comparisons, released concept images showing the anticipated dual-lens setup of the Osmo 360. The camera sports a compact form, similar to the anticipated but delayed GoPro Max 2. From the renderings, the Osmo 360 appears designed for optimal portability, potentially making it convenient for capturing immersive 360-degree footage on the go. Hakasushi's size comparisons with the Insta 360 X4 and the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro indicate that DJI has crafted a device small enough for easy handling, without sacrificing quality or durability. The camera will feature a front-facing display allowing users to monitor their footage while recording, a handy feature for vloggers and content creators. The Osmo 360 also includes quick access buttons on the front for easy control, with a power button positioned on the side, in keeping with DJI's typical action camera design. However, there are some trade-offs visible in the renderings. While compact and likely lightweight, the Osmo 360 lacks an external mounting hook, an element many users appreciate in competing models like the Insta 360, as it adds flexibility for different types of action shots. One standout element in the design is the inclusion of dual antennas, located on either side of the camera. This detail suggests that DJI is prioritizing a stable, high-quality wireless connection, which could enable smooth file transfers and, potentially, even live streaming capabilities. For users who value connectivity for sharing and editing on the go, this feature may make the Osmo 360 a valuable tool for quick post-production or live content creation. In addition, early leaks suggest the camera will be named OQ001, based on a recent FCC filing by SZ DJI Osmo Technologies. This filing gives credence to the rumors of an upcoming release, as products generally enter the FCC database shortly before hitting the market. Testing was reportedly completed in early September, a strong indicator that DJI aims to launch the Osmo 360 in the coming weeks. Observers speculate that the camera could be available as soon as late November, just in time for the holiday shopping rush, a strategic move by DJI to capture attention among gift shoppers. Given DJI's established reputation for quality, the Osmo 360 may quickly become a rival for both the GoPro Max 2 and the Insta 360 lineup, two of the biggest names in 360-degree action cameras. If DJI delivers the high-quality image resolution, intuitive controls, and compact design suggested by the leaks, the Osmo 360 could attract new customers as well as DJI fans seeking a 360-degree solution. DJI's track record with robust drone and action camera technology has set high expectations, and many enthusiasts are eager to see if they bring similar innovation to the 360-degree space. From a pricing perspective, DJI might aim to compete directly with the GoPro Max 2 and the Insta 360, though exact price details have yet to be disclosed. The competition could benefit consumers by driving innovation and potentially more competitive pricing across the market. In terms of features, users are hoping for the inclusion of advanced stabilization, HDR video capability, and possibly even waterproofing, all of which would enhance its value for adventurers and content creators alike. All indications suggest that the Osmo 360 could make its debut by late November, aligning with the peak holiday season. This timing would be ideal for shoppers looking for tech gifts or professionals planning their equipment lineup for the coming year. DJI's decision to enter the 360-degree camera market comes as demand for immersive content grows, driven by platforms like YouTube and Instagram, where 360-degree content is gaining popularity. Ultimately, the DJI Osmo 360 could shake up the 360 camera space, challenging longtime players like GoPro and Insta 360. If DJI manages to deliver a product that combines compact design, easy handling, and high-end performance at a competitive price, they may establish a significant presence in this growing niche. The big question remains, will DJI's Osmo 360 live up to the hype, or will established competitors continue to dominate? Only time will tell. But the Osmo 360 is shaping up to be an exciting addition for action camera fans and tech enthusiasts alike. So, that's it for today. If you liked the video, please hit like and comment down below your opinion about the DJI Osmo 360. Don't forget to subscribe to support us.